Hey guys, what's going on? So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this new flasher I just designed. Check it out. It is the Origami Easy Flasher Hat X right here. You can see it's got an X right here on the top right there. And it almost looks like a little flasher hat, see? Like this. And yep, and it's a flasher, and it flashes pretty good too. See? Just like that, isn't that cool? And yeah. Put it on your head just like a flasher hat. Alright, want to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this flasher, I'm going to use a 10-inch square of kami. So let's begin white side up or either side up, and let's fold in half. We're going to make a 16 by 16 grid of generalist creases. Okay, like this, and unfold, and now fold to the crease. And if you've never done a flasher before, I highly recommend you try Jeremy Shafer's easiest flasher right there. But if you're in the mood for a flasher that's a lot harder to make, well, this is one of them. Okay. See, I'm not going to say this is an easy model to fold, but it's pretty cool though at the end. Okay. And now, repeat. Alright, unfold, and now fold this edge to the last crease. Okay, unfold, and now fold the nearest crease. Okay, don't unfold it this time. Rotate like this, and fold this edge to here. Alright, and now fold to the nearest crease. Okay, now unfold both sides like that. Okay, now turn over. And now we're going to lift up this crease. This is the second to top crease right here. Lift this crease up, and we're going to fold it onto this top crease. So we make a new valley fold in between this segment. Like this. Okay. So now we made a new fold in between there. Okay. And now skip this crease and move on to the next crease down. So lift it up and fold it onto this crease. Like this. And crease that, and repeat that all the way down. So skip this one and go to this crease and pleat it, just like this. Just like that. Okay, and now fold this raw edge to the nearest crease. Okay, now rotate like this, and now we're gonna take this edge right here and fold it to this edge. So it's just like turning the page of a book. Okay, and do that all the way down. Okay, and fold the raw edge up to the nearest crease. Okay, and now let's make a paper fan. So fold 2 units up and 1 unit down, like this. And 2 up, 1 down. And 2 up, 1 down. Okay, and now turn over and fold this up like this. Okay, so here we have our paper fan, and now it's unfolded completely. Like this. And now we're going to reverse all these creases so that way they're generalist. So make sure the first crease right here is a valley fold and the second one is a mountain. So let's fold 2 units up. So we're reversing that mountain fold, and 1 unit down. So we're reversing that valley fold. Alright, and do that all the way up. So we're making a paper fan. by reversing all the creases. Okay, just like that. Alright, so that is the 16 in this direction done. And now we're going to do that in the other direction. So here we go. And you can begin either side up because these creases are genderless, so it doesn't matter. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this part. Okay, so here is our 16 by 16 grid of genderless creases. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and draw on the creases as we form them. So let's find the middle square. And let me see if I can find some pins first. There, I'm going to use a pin because that's the best I got. Okay, so there's the middle square. And we're going to lift this crease up right here. So this is the top of the square. And we're gonna fold it up to the nearest crease above right here. And we're not going to make the whole fold. We're just going to crease from the left right here to there. So to the side of the square right there. Do not crease in the middle right here. Alright, and on the right side, let's make that fold. And again, don't crease in the middle. Just crease from the side of the square right here to the right. Like that. Now unfold. And now we're going to do that in the opposite direction. Well, on this other side right here. So lift this crease up right here and fold it up to the nearest crease. And on the left, you can fold from here or from the side of the square to the left. Like that. And on the right, fold from there to the right. Like that. Okay, and now do that in the opposite direction. So, lift this crease up right here, so here's the top of the square, and fold it up to the crease above. And just fold from the side of the square to the left. And on the right. From the side of the square to the right, just like that. Okay, and now repeat on this side. Okay, just like that. And that's what it looks like. Alright, and now let's turn over. And what we're going to do is, so I'm going to draw the middle square on again so you can see it. It's a little bit easier to follow. Okay, so what we're going to do is, I have to zoom in quite a bit so you can see this. So we're going to make a few diagonal folds. So one from this point of the square right here. So we're going to make a fold right there. So from here to that intersection right there. And from the corner of the square to this intersection. And then also make one right here too. So a triangle right there. So we're going to pinch those mountain folds. So, and I have my hand under here for support. And let's pinch right there. See? Just like this. And then now right here too. Alright. And then here. Okay, just like that. And now we're gonna do that 3 more times. So okay, just like that. So those creases are done, and now let's turn back over. And on this side, make sure the square right here is okay, make sure the square on this side is mountain folds also. Like this. Okay, now we're gonna start collapsing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start at the corner right here. So we're gonna fold on the existing creases. So we're gonna make these 2 pleats right here. Like this, and we're also going to fold on this triangle right here. And on this side they're valley folds, so we're going to fold on those too. So we're forming the top of the flasher. See? Just like this. Alright, and this is tricky, so like that. And I do that all the way around. And yeah, it's best to do one corner at a time. See? Like this. And then here. And then here. Okay, just like this. So this is the top of the flasher, and we're going to turn that into the X later. But actually, making the X is optional, actually. You don't even need, you can just keep it like that if you want. But I think it looks cooler with an X on top, in my opinion. Okay, now just make sure these are flat right here, crease them sharply. Like this. Okay, and now we're going to turn it into a flasher. So, before we start collapsing, I'm going to draw the pre-creases on. So, we're going to make a fold from here to there, right there. See, earlier I actually drew one right here, and I was wrong right there, so I just crossed it out. So from here to there, and we're going to make a mountain fold right here. So the dotted lines are valley folds, and the mountain folds are the solid lines. Okay, so I'm going to draw the crease pattern in, and then I'll start collapsing. So here we go. And I'm going to fast forward this part. Okay, just like this. So here we go. My pen just dropped. Okay, so now let's start collapsing. So we're going to make this fold right here, a mountain fold like this, and also this fold right here. So along these edges. And then we're going to make this diagonal valley fold right there, so the dotted lines. And it helps to go on this side and kind of pinch it like this. So I'm just going to pinch it first. Like this. So I'm just going to pinch all the valley folds first. But on this side they're mountain folds, but yeah. You know what I mean. Okay, like this. Just makes it a little bit easier. And on this side, I'm going to pinch the mountain folds. There we go, just like that. Okay, now start collapsing it. So we're just gonna make a flasher out of this. And I'm sure you know how to do this if you've made flashers before. Yep, so just like this. So mountain fold, and then valleys right here, and then mountain right there. Alright, just form the flasher, just like this. Okay, just like this. So that side is done, and now we're going to do that 3 more times. Here we go. Okay, just like this. Alright, and now at this point we can kind of just push everything together like this. So if there's any glitches that form, just fix them up. And now just kind of just start pushing the flasher together like this. This shouldn't be too hard. Alright, just like this. And just kind of fix it up in here a little bit. There we go. Ah, it's not cooperating. There we go. There, that's about as best as I can get there. I mean, yeah, it's a flasher, so it's not gonna, you know, be perfectly, but good enough. Okay. And now if you want, you can just kind of fix the inside of it up here. You can just kind of just pinch everything down like this so it stays down. Okay, just like this. And it's alright if it's kind of messy on the inside right here. Because, yeah, this is the bottom of the flasher, so it doesn't really matter what it looks like in here. Okay, so there it is. So here we have a nice flasher right here. See? Like this. So there it is. So you can end right here if you like, but if you really want to make it into a hat like this, then here goes. So, and notice actually on the brim right here, I put reverse folds right here to make it stand out a little bit better. See? It makes it nice and pointy right here, which I think looks a lot cooler. See? And of course, I obviously made the square right here into an X, which makes it look a lot cooler. So here goes. So let's start out by making let's do the reverse fold first, and then we'll do the X last. Alright, now for the reverse folds, just reverse all of these things right here. So I'm going to start at the corner right here. So we're just going to make an inside reverse fold right here. And there's no existing creases, so you're just going to have to make the creases as you do it. Like that, see? That's what it looks like. So yeah, so just reverse fold all the way around. Here we go. And I'll do a few of these at normal speed, and then I'll fast forward the rest. Yep. And also reverse fold on this little part right here too. Yep. Make a little reverse fold also. So yeah, reverse fold everything right here around. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward until I'm done with the reverse folds. Okay, like that. And now let's just kind of push everything together again so everything's sharper. Like this. Careful so they don't crumple the top up. Okay, now for the X part, this is what we're gonna do. It's not too hard, it's actually pretty simple. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna just kind of, we're gonna squeeze these two edges right here. And we're gonna make a mountain fold from the middle right here to there, like this. So on that segment. So just kind of put your hand inside of here, just kind of puff it out a little bit so it makes it easier, and just kind of pinch up to the middle, just like this. Alright, like that. And you can just pinch just to that point right there, like that, and do that all the way around. Yep, so I have my hand inside for support. Like this. Okay, just like that. Alright, and there is the X. Yeah. There it is. It's kind of best to look at it from an angle right here, see? This kind of looks like a hat right there. See? And yeah. Alright, well that was a long model. I hope you guys were able to fold something like that. Yeah, it's a little tricky to fold, but it's pretty cool though. It's actually pretty easy though for a flasher hat. But yeah, so there you have it. And maybe if you fold out of large paper, you can probably use it to fit on your head. So yep, there it is. Alright, hope you guys like that, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Or it'll be a frisbee. Alright, bye guys.